Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's been a while since I've checked out everyone's favorite cat shoe brand, Puma, so I picked up the classic Puma Clyde sneakers. This specific shoe is the Puma Clyde Core Foil sneaker in the white and Barbados cherry colorway. Now this shoe is supposed to be an updated, premium, kind of dressed up version of the Clyde, so we're going to be taking a closer look into all that jazz. Let's get into the upper. According to Puma, the upper is a premium full leather construction. The leather is pretty nice and has a soft feeling to it. It also does look like it's going to be very prone to wrinkling. At the tongue we have the large gold Puma logo that stands out nicely. Below that, the laces seem to be in a slight cream color. It's probably hard to see it on camera, but in person they do have a cream-like hue. The laces also have gold metal tips for that premium feel. At the sides we have more hits of that reflective gold. We have the Puma logo and Clyde signature in quotes. Also at the sides we have the Puma forestrip and that Barbados color, alongside some perforations for breathability. At the rear we have a strip of leather with the window on it. It seems like the Puma logo was supposed to be inside of the window, but it looks like they forgot. They definitely didn't though, because none of the Clyde Core foils have it, so it definitely was a design choice, albeit a questionable one. What do you guys think? Should they have put a logo in there? Let me know in the comments. Now let's look at the outsole. At the front, the outsole has this kind of ribbed pattern to it. Then we have a gritty, rougher pattern on the side, and a nice Puma stamp at the rear that is a really nice touch. For traction we have a square and triangle pattern across the entirety of the bottom of the shoe, with the Puma logo in the middle. Lastly, the shoe does feature a black removable insole. It's got a really cool all over Puma pattern. It's also cupped and nicely shaped around the heel and the foot arch area. First released in 1973, the Puma Clyde was named after the New York Knicks basketball player Walter Clyde Frazier. Clyde led the Knicks to an NBA championship in the 1969 and 1970 season, and with being well known for his cool style off the court, he was a perfect candidate for an endorsement. He was actually the first basketball player to have a shoe named after him. I mean, look at this way this guy dresses. He was the definition of pimp. He was one of the first players to own a freaking Rolls Royce. I mean, look at his endorsement picture. His coat was probably made out of the same Puma he took a picture with. There was no PETA back then. Everything was fair game. Your dog was fair game. Even today, the man continues to have a unique style. The man is an absolute treasure. Shout out to Clyde Frazier. On feet, the shoes felt a bit snug at first, but after breaking them in, they definitely felt good. They also fit true to size, so no issues there. These were surprisingly comfortable, especially for the type of shoe they are. I walked around for a couple hours at the mall with no issues. The shoe is also super sleek and very elegant looking. I really dig the style. My only real complaint is the laces. The laces felt a bit too short and made the shoe kinda hard to tie. Other than that, the shoes are super clean and I was really digging them. Overall, this shoe has a lot of cool history behind it, and although many people may not know about the sneaker's origin, it still continues to be a Puma classic. One of Puma's most successful creations. I like this updated version of it. The leather gives the shoe a more refined look when compared to the suede versions of it. The colored forestrip adds a nice splash of color, and it really helps set off this elegant shoe. If you're a Puma fan, you probably already have a Clyde in your collection, and if not, you definitely need to get a pair. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like and subscribe if you guys did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.